As a shift worker, we are waking up at all different times of the day. But the most important thing for us to get when we do wake up is light. Now, these lights by this bed and also the lights that are in your roof are not sufficient blue light to literally trigger and reset your circadian rhythm, which our body counts on every single day. Now, we get up and we've got absolutely no light outside at all. So what is there that we can do? Ladies and gentlemen, I bring to you the Retimer 3. Now, as you can see, completely Australian made. All right, so let's go through and unbox this and I'll show you exactly what this device looks like. We have a quick start guide. And when we open it up, it's all beautifully fur lined with the nice Retimer logo there again. We have the quick start guide, the cable, which is USB-A and USB-C to charge the device. And then have a look at this. We've then got a really nice bag that this device is kept in to keep it in good shape with the Retimer logo on it. And this is the Retimer. Now also in this bag here, we have 2 nose cones, which are adjustable nose cones that you can literally put on the device right here. So depending on your fit, so you'll be able to fit them up to suit you as well. So let's have a look at how these look on. And this is what the Retimer 3 actually looks like. Now, you can wear your glasses with them. They will sit literally just underneath your glasses. So I can still literally hold a book and read a book here, no problems at all. It won't cause me any grief in any way whatsoever. They don't get in the way. They're not in the field of vision and everything. I can see everything quite well. All right, now, just to turn these on, we just use the button on the side here next to the logo and turn them on. And you can see now that we have the green lights lit. These are in fact the lights that will be triggering our circadian rhythm and giving it the light that it actually needs. I can just leave these on for 20 to 30 minutes in the morning and I'm getting the right green-blue light into my eye to reset that circadian rhythm. Because this light here in the roof, even though it's rich blue pump LED, it's not providing me with sufficient blue light during the day to actually reset the circadian rhythm, but these do. And that is the difference and why it's important that you have something like this to wear to give you free hands to do whatever you want to do in the morning for 15 to 20 minutes instead of having to just sit in front of that light box. How good's that? Now these are quality. You can wear them, you can walk around with them, no problems at all. They're pretty cool actually.